The Salvation government in Idlib has set this year's wheat purchase price at $310 per tonne, significantly higher than the global price. This initiative provides a much-needed profit margin for farmers, helping them sustain wheat cultivation. The government has pledged to buy all the wheat offered by farmers, showcasing strong support for the agricultural sector.
تم افتتاح مركز شراء القمح لهذا العام في صوامع إدلب. تم تحديد السعر ب $310 للطن الواحد. السعر يخضع لعدة عوامل، منها السعر العالمي ومنها سعر مادة الدقيق اللي هو راح يكون يستخدم في صناعة الخبز وسيستهلكه أغلب أهلنا في المحرر.
Despite the favorable price, this year's wheat production in Idlib is estimated at 50,000 tons, with 25,000 tons expected to be sold to the general establishment for cereals. However, a mild winter resulted in lower yields, making this year more challenging for farmers compared to the previous one.
بالنسبة للموسم هالسنة أضعف من عام الأول بسبب تقلبات الطقس من جو أمطار كثيرة لجو حار، فاللفح الزرع اللفح كله لفح، يعني هالسنة ناقص عن عام الأول شيء 30%.
Looking forward, the agricultural policy in the region is anticipated to diversify following the launch of the Banadem project this year. While wheat remains the staple food and a critical component of the local diet, there is a noticeable trend among farmers to shift towards cultivating crops with high economic returns. The SSG's initiative is a significant step to support local farmers in Idlib. The government's commitment to buying all available wheat and absorbing the price difference between imported and local wheat underlines its dedication to both farmers and the broader community.